Welcome to day 6 of the 21-day EFT tapping challenge for October, stepping into sovereignty. Today we're calling back our energy from overgiving. So please take a deep breath, follow along, repeat after me. Even though I've been giving more than I receive, I deeply love and honor myself. Even though I've poured my energy into everyone else and left myself depleted, I choose to call my power back. Even though overgiving has been how I've tried to feel loved and safe, I now allow balance and ease to guide me. All this energy I've given away. The exhaustion from doing too much for others. The depletion for always showing up. The habit of overextending myself. The belief that I have to earn love through effort. The drain I feel from giving without balance. The weight of being everything for everyone. I'm ready to release this now. I thought overgiving meant I was kind. I thought saying yes made me worthy. I thought doing more would make me enough. But all it's done is exhaust me. My energy has been scattered everywhere. My body feels the depletion. My heart feels the imbalance. It's safe to stop overgiving now. I honor the part of me that wanted to help. I honor the one who found safety in giving. I honor the child who believed love must be earned. I send love to those parts of me. They were doing their best. But I no longer need to give to depletion. I can love and serve from overflow. I can create from wholeness. Let's take a pause and take a deep breath in through the nose. Slowly exhaling out the mouth. Now imagine, sense, or feel this golden sun above you, radiant and warm. Feel your energy like threads of light returning from everywhere you've given it away, coming back home to your heart. Place your hands on your heart. Feel the warmth. And when you're ready, let's return back to the eyebrow point. I release the need to give beyond my capacity. I release the guilt for resting. I release the belief that my worth depends on service. I release the habit of rescuing others. I release the fatigue in my body. I release all energy that isn't mine. I release the imbalance within. I release with love. I am calling my energy back from every space I've ever overgiven, from every person I've overserved, from every situation that drained me. I'm recalling my light, my power, my presence. I'm remembering my wholeness. I am anchoring my energy into balance. I'm returning home to myself. It feels safe to receive as I give. It feels safe to rest and restore. It feels safe to fill my own cup first. It feels safe to be supported by life. It feels safe to honor my energy. It feels safe to balance love and boundaries. It feels safe to give from overflow. It feels safe to be whole. Last round. I reclaim my energy now. I reclaim my peace now. I reclaim my vitality now. I reclaim my balance now. I reclaim my light now. I reclaim my wholeness now. I reclaim my sovereignty now. And I deeply love, honor, and accept myself. Take a deep breath. Place your hands on your heart to notice the shift. Remember, if this particular tapping maybe raised up some emotions for you, you notice some shifts, but you still notice a lot of resistance, go ahead and do it again, and then notice the shift again, and keep doing it until you feel more whole, more true to yourself, to your natural state. I'll see you tomorrow.